Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my completion review of this cute little diamond painting I got from Artdot on Amazon. So I called this Dog and Penguin. I got it from Artdot on Amazon. It was part of a 4-pack, but each one, the whole price divided by 4 was $5.18. I ordered it back in September. It's advertised as a 30 by 40 centimeters, but it's only a 25 by 35. It has poured glue, they're round, and there are 23 colors with DMC, and it took me 2 days to do this. And I didn't really have any comments. There was no real problems for this, but I did substitute the white in the dog with ABs from my Star Wars diamond painting. So yeah, here is the original painting or picture, and here it is, the diamond painting. I had zero problems. This was just a fun one. This diamond painting is actually pretty good for people who are new, because there's actually a lot of color blocking, but not so much color blocking that it's boring. But I mean, there's like lots of just color blocking. I actually didn't end up doing this in sections. I just kind of did I just kept going with the same color as much as I could find. So I kind of painted this by color, so that's probably why I did this really quickly. But this one, it was pretty good to do with by color because of the fact that there is so much color blocking. So yeah, this was a nice, fun one. I had plenty of diamonds left, especially the white, because I did use my white ABs that I had left over from Star Wars, and even though I used it all for the dog here, and even though I still have a ton of white ABs left. So yeah, I replaced the ABs, the white on the dog with ABs. It was supposed to be this color here. I decided just to do the dog because the ABs kind of have like a pinky kind of, what's it called, color on them, I think. So I just thought the dog would work for it. So yeah, here it is. The only thing that mainly bugged me is this section here. It blends in too much with the dog. I feel like there needs to be an outline. And looking at the original picture, I don't know, there is a little tiny bit of blue there outlining. And if I was gonna do anything with this, maybe I would put some of these blues and maybe use this blue and replace a line there. But yeah, I just did this for fun, so I'm not gonna make that effort. But so yeah, I highly recommend this kit, especially if you're a beginner, just because it was very, very simple to do. So now I'm just gonna go put it in my art portfolio. I normally will just cut this out and put it in, what's it called, on a sheet of black paper, but I decided I'm gonna try out not cutting it at all and just putting some pretty, what's it called, what is this, duct tape on the edges. So I got this duct tape from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna just cover the edges with it. And I'm doing this over parchment paper because the duct tape is really, really sticky. And I have, what's it called, pulled off some of the top of my table with it. So yeah. Okay, so just going. So this is just me showing you another way, I guess, of, what's it called? Man, duct tape so sticky, even it's sticking to the parchment paper. Just another way of doing the final, I guess, framing. It's not really framing, but just cutting the corners here. Okay. And the main reason I'm doing this one actually, they cut the edges pretty nice and straight. Like, I don't know if you could tell, like, it's pretty well cut. Sometimes this is not possible to do just because of how the canvas got cut. So, yeah, I think this is pretty well cut. So, okay, let's see. Hopefully. So what's nice is now, like, there is a bunch of this. This is not washi tape. This is like duct tape, you know. Back when it used to just come in the silver rolls, now they have multiple different colors, and it's great for crafting because they tend to be cheap, the rolls. And I think it's actually appropriate because it's a little shiny too, so. No, this is not. No, yeah, this is duct tape. I get what they're called. I was like, no, wait, this is masking tape. No, wait, masking tape is that paper tape. That's kind of pretty much like washi tape, except not pretty. Okay. So, I don't know if actually doing this is slower or faster than cutting it out and putting it on the black sheet of paper, but I just thought this, especially since this is just a fun picture, I thought this would be a nice border for it. So. So yeah, you don't have to get a frame. This looks pretty well framed, and if you're putting this in a kid's room, you could just put some like command strips in the back of it and hang it up, you know. So I don't hang up all my diamond paintings. A lot of my diamond paintings I do for fun because I think they look pretty, or you know, like I said, diamond painting I do for fun, so not everything is a decorative item, or so it's decorative in my book. So yeah. Okay, one last one. So yeah, look at that. That looks really, really awesome. I also, there were a couple other colors too of the tape, but I thought this purple matched really well. There you go. So yeah, I will link this diamond painting at the bottom, and I will also link my portfolio book also, because I think it's a good way to store your finished diamond paintings without having to hang everything up and then not just having it in a pile somewhere. Because, yeah, that's kind of sad, just having them in a pile somewhere, hidden. Okay. So yeah, I do also have black tape too, so if I decide this is easier than cutting out the edges and putting it in, I might just do this, but it's very dependent on how much, what's it called, how well the diamond painting company cut the canvas, because it won't work if the canvas is, what's it called, lopsided or small. Okay, so wait. So yeah, here is actually one of the other ones from the 4-pack. I guess I didn't complete anything else that's this small to put in here. So yeah, here, put it in my art portfolio book. I've been going backwards, so I've actually been putting the oldest ones in the back and then the newest ones in the front. I actually ended up getting another one. This is getting really heavy, so, and it comes with 40 sheets. I actually removed because there's like 2 of these 20 things, and I actually removed one because I can't see myself putting 80 diamond paintings in here because it's already pretty heavy, and I only have like maybe, I don't know, 12 in here. So yeah, here it is. It's all done. Yay! And it's with its friend. There's still 2 more diamond paintings in this 4-pack, but I highly enjoyed these 2. So thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.